Hello, and welcome to a moment of hope. The world is full of noise, and it's often disguised as news. I've noticed a lot of it in my social media feeds as of late. It's bombarded the 24-hour airwaves. It's everywhere, and it's trying to make me think it's more important than my journey. It is important to stay informed, but it's just as important to know the balance so that I don't get distracted from my unique journey. When the noise becomes so loud that I can't hear my steps, it's time for me to turn it off and walk away. This has been your moment of hope. Be blessed and be a blessing.